In this crypto cash flow review, I'm going to go through everything you need to know about this crypto educational platform. Crypto Cash Flow, an educational platform for learning how to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency, NFTs, and nodes. Congrats, you're in. Scroll down to learn how cryptocurrency works for beginners, which cryptocurrencies are the best, and how easy it is to start investing in crypto. Copy and paste our blueprint for making cash with cryptocurrency. Spoiler alert, the only ingredients you need are your computer, the internet, and this training. Join this once-in-a-lifetime experience with Joshua Montoya and Marty Cooney and discover our crypto cash flow blueprint. Upgrade now and discover how easy it is to learn cryptocurrency as a beginner. VIP admission, which is monthly. You've got the full VIP access to the Crypto Cash Flow membership course of $4,997 value. Free access to the Crypto Cash Flow Mastermind Facebook group with Joshua Montoya and Marty Cooney, a $997 value. Exclusive access to the Crypto Cash Flow Quick Start Guide of $497 value. Crypto Cash Flow VIP coaching calls of $4,997 value. You get to have question and answer sessions with Josh and Marty, a $1,997 value. Monthly Crypto Cash Flow giveaways, a $1,997 value. Free access to all future Crypto Cash Flow mini courses and branded Crypto Cash Flow membership content, priceless. That's VIP access at $97 a month. Here's a taste of what you'll learn inside Crypto Cash Flow, an easy step-by-step method anyone can use to say goodbye to the 9-to-5, and how you can work and make money from anywhere in the world with crypto. This simply works. Our exact strategies for generating millions of dollars online by finding early cryptocurrency, NFT, and node gems. You won't find this kind of information anywhere else. How you can start thinking and earning just like the top 1%. This is a must-see method that will totally change and impact your entire life. And so much more. Join us for our exclusive cryptocurrency training. Module 1. Mastering your mindset. Unravel the secrets of a crypto millionaire. Module 2. Blockchain basics. Learn the who, what, and how of blockchain technology. Module 3, the Crypto Bank. Take ownership of your digital assets and become your own bank. Module 4, Crypto Market Research. Learn how to find life-changing utility coins. Module number 5, NFT Magic. Learn how to buy, sell, and trade NFTs on OpenSea. Module 6, Node Automation. Learn how to get your computers to work for you. Module number 7, bonus, the Gala Treasure Chest. Earn with play-to-earn games, listen to earn music, and watch to earn films. Module 8, bonus, preserving wealth through diversification. Learn how to diversify your blockchain assets with crypto, NFTs, and nodes. You could be our next Crypto Cash Flow success story just like these students. Christina Gregerson. Brilliant. Love the tips on making sure your ledger hasn't been tampered with. If it has, just send it back. Don't mess with it. Christina Gregerson. This one cracked me up, but it's so true. The crypto I have is all on the app and not mine. Haha, thanks. Christina Gregerson on crypto email accounts. Love this idea for any new venture. Helps keep the important things front and center. Ricardo Poinsett on the number 1 rule in crypto. Got it. Graham Griffiths. I finished the mods earlier this afternoon. Awesome job, fellas. Definitely a few pearls in there that I was unaware of. Excited to see what else is coming down the pipe. Keep up the great work. Bert Bodder. Loving the Crypto Cash Flow education, bros. Had to park it for a few days to do ebook research, but getting back to it. Not sure how you guys absorb this info and then put it out to us in such a professional way, but totally appreciate it. Then we've got the Crypto Cash Flow Mastermind. Hey guys, just getting away from my comfort zone here to post the giveaway video that I made super early this morning, and my appreciation for the gift to Joshua Montoya, Marty Cooney, and and Ty Cohen, not in any particular order, as every individual mentioned has impacted and still impacting positively in my life, even to this very morning, in DWCC live event. Thank you and God bless. Meet your mentors. Meet Josh and Marty. Unlike most coaches, course creators and marketers, Joshua Montoya and Marty Cooney are two of the best when it comes to digital wealth creation, especially in the world of cryptocurrency and digital assets. Look over our shoulders and join as we walk through our exact 7-figure digital wealth business model inside this membership. From fast food to freedom, digital marketer, speaker, and cryptocurrency entrepreneur Joshua Montoya rolled into the world of digital marketing back in 2010. Since then, Joshua has shaken the world by providing opportunities to create online digital real estate and passive income through self-publishing ebooks and teaching students around the world how to create a 6-figure income via self-publishing books online. Since then, Joshua Montoya is now a full-time cryptocurrency investor who not only earns over a 7-figure income from finding early cryptocurrency projects and gems, but also teaches students from all around the world how to duplicate this system and learn how to buy, sell, trade, and secure their cryptocurrencies, whether you're a beginner or advanced, without having to be a financial wizard. Just to name a few, I have one of the top leading coaches in the digital space, thousands of students actively earning over 100k plus in online royalties, courses promoted by Robert Kiyosaki, Les Brown, Bob Proctor, and so many more. Joshua specializes in cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and nodes, and has a goal of empowering the world abroad to step into the blockchain technology by understanding the basics of getting started with cryptocurrency so they can utilize these opportunities and incorporate it into their daily lives to create even more digital real estate and have passive income as cryptocurrency becomes even more mainstream every day. Joshua lives by a simple message: reach one, teach one, which he's a living testament to, having trained and mentored thousands of students around the world. Best-selling author, entrepreneur, speaker, and online marketer, Marty Cooney, who specializes in creating freedom with digital real estate. He also teaches internationally on topics such as how to earn money online, how to create a 6-figure income from publishing books on Amazon, and how to secure digital wealth through cryptocurrency. Just to name a few, I have thousands of students actively earning 100k plus in online passive income, have earned over 6+ figures from cryptocurrency, self-publishing ebooks and digital marketing, courses promoted by Robert Kiyosaki, Les Brown, Bob Proctor, and many more. In 2017, Marty Cooney made his first entry into the cryptocurrency world, where he has now established himself as a 7-figure earner through cryptocurrency, NFTs, and nodes. Marty now teaches students all over the world how to achieve financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom from buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. Marty is now focused on empowering millions of people around the world to embrace the power of crypto as we step closer and closer to blockchain technology taking over the world and becoming the leading currency of our financial system. Marty is known as one of the go-to mentors and coaches in the cryptocurrency and digital marketing space, having mentored and trained thousands of students from all over the world. Frequently asked questions: who is Crypto Cashflow membership for? The Crypto Cashflow membership was designed for anyone who wants to leave their day job behind and start making a predictable income, even millions of dollars online. How much will Crypto Cashflow cost? A VIP membership for only $97 monthly, billed monthly. Do I really get lifetime access? Yes. As long as you have your membership once you join the Crypto Cashflow family, you will get access to any future content, training, partnerships, bonuses, crypto giveaways, tools, resources, and so much more that we have planned inside the Crypto Cashflow membership for free as long as you maintain your membership. What if I don't know anything about crypto? Trust us, you do not need to have any prior knowledge about crypto. We have purposely designed this membership so that anyone would understand without having to be a financial wizard. We have simplified the course so much that anyone with any background can understand, get on the fast track to cryptocurrency. What if I don't have time to learn crypto? Learning crypto doesn't take months or years, and we've designed the course in a way that you can consume your crypto education in bite-sized chunks. You can listen while on a break, waiting in line, or fit it into wherever you can. You can commit as little as 30 minutes a day and learn a wealth of information that will help you create your online digital cryptocurrency empire. Get ready for the crypto membership that has the power to change everything. Thank you for watching this crypto cash flow review.